It's a seller's market right now for silver and gold. Are you still buying? Stay tuned. I'll give you my thoughts about that. All right, guys, welcome back once again. My name is Silver Britches, and in this video, it's a seller's market. Are you still buying? Well, for me, I am still buying, but I'm just going to buy in smaller quantities. I'm just going to buy a smaller budget worth of silver. And I did go and make some purchases this week, and I made some purchases last week. So just in case you guys missed that video, I did pick up a bunch of the Royal Fortunes, and I'm going to keep 4 of them. I'm going to put those away in the stack because it's just such a fantastic design, and it's a very low mintage. So I'm going to hang on to these because it's just a great overall coin. And, you know, it is from the Perth Mint, so the quality is pretty good. So it's just a coin worth keeping, in my opinion. So I'm going to keep 4 of them. And if they just, you know, skyrocket in price, you know, I may flip those later. So I was able to pick up 20 of those, and I sold 16 of them. And for those who did purchase them, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy it. It is a beautiful coin, and they are all on the way to you right now. Hopefully you'll be getting those sometime when this video drops, if not the day after. So like I said, appreciate that, guys. It goes a long way. I thank you so much. Now, the other ones that I did pick up is I picked up the Captain America. Let's see if I can get that light. Yeah, oh yeah. I picked up the Captain America. And I picked up the Iron Man. Picked this one up. Stunning pieces. Really, really stunning pieces. They look wonderful. And I picked up, because you guys know I love my privies, I picked up the Wolf Privy. And is it a 2016 Wolf Privy. And I also picked up the Moose Privy. So I've been looking for these, but the prices have been sky high. So these were, you know, not a fantastic price, but it was a great price. So I'm picking things up like this right now. Collector pieces, things to add to the stack that, you know, I'm going to keep long term because it's pretty much a collectible coin. And that's it. Now my regular bullion stuff, like my maples right here, I actually went in there to get another one, but he did not have any. And since I have a almost complete stack of Silver Eagles for the 2020s, I went ahead and I picked up 4 more. And I know the price of Silver Eagles are too high to be stacking. Well, I had 4 more to finish the daggum tube, so I might as well go ahead and finish it off. So that'll give me 80 of them for the 2020s. So pretty stoked about that. Not stoked about the price, but pretty stoked about it. But like I said, man, it's a seller's market right now. And if you are going to be buying your precious metals, you're going to pay a heavy premium for them because they're having to pay a heavy premium for them. And they can't just sell at the prices that they were selling at. If they're doing it the legit way, okay, if they're doing it the legit way, they can't. But if they're doing it the shady way and selling, buying back for $1 or $1.50 over spot again, and then selling upwards of $8 to $10 over spot, then yeah, then that's shady. But that's why I like going to my LCS, because he does it the right way. If you go in there and you want to sell, he's going to give you a good deal, and he's going to actually give you over spot for your silver. So you can't beat that. That's actually good business. That's how you bring people back to your business, is by doing things the right way. You know, all that shady crap, you know, that's for the birds. But yeah, if you're wanting to continue to stack your silver and gold, it's just going to cost you a little bit more, guys. And you know what? At the end of the day, it's a decision you got to make for yourself. Now, me personally, I don't have enough metals put away. So I'm going to continue to keep picking and choosing, my battles here, pick up some ounces here or there. And that's what it's all about, putting something away for the stack. That's what I'm doing. And I can't believe I actually went in there to get another maple. And I completely forgot again to get a capsule for this one. I don't know what it is about capsules, but I just always forget about them. And it just slips my mind every single time. But normally I don't like to keep, coins in capsules. But, if they're collector pieces, then they need to be in one. And that's why I like buying things from the Perth Mint, or in this case, the RCM privies. They come with the capsules. But the only thing I don't like about the Perth Mint is their capsules are too small. You hear that? And it's like that on all of them. Even these right here. It's like their capsules are too small. Whereas, well, even these got a little rattle. So this one doesn't. Pretty good. But yeah, I think the Perth Mint, that's the only thing that really they do negatively is the capsules are too tiny or too big for the coin. So they need to probably address that to keep them from sliding around. But yeah, that's what I picked up, guys. I'm looking for things like this. I don't want to pay that extra premium for Silver Eagles. But like I said, I needed 4 more to finish the tube off. And that's what I did. I choked down that premium a little bit. It went down pretty rough, but it went down. I took them home with me. So hopefully I can find some more gold online, because it was slim pickings for the gold. And that should tell you something right there, guys. Maybe it's people in FOMO over gold, or maybe it's people realizing that gold is the tier 1 asset and that it is the thing to stack. And if I can find it, I'm going to buy it. And after I get done making this video, that's definitely what I'm going to go look for. I'm going to look for either another 1/4 ounce or a 1/2 ounce of gold. And it doesn't necessarily have to be 24 karat gold. It can be, American Gold Eagle. That's fine with me too. It does not have to be pure gold. But I do want to stay away from just your regular British sovereigns and things like that, because it's just, the sell back price here in the United States is not that great. But things like, anything that's 24 karat gold, the buyback price on those are pretty legit. They're pretty good. So stacking things like that, your 4.9's fine silver and your 4.9's fine gold, you can't beat it. I mean, if you're going to stack right now, I would suggest getting the high purity stuff. That's just my suggestion. But you guys stack and buy at your own leisure. This is just what I'm doing, guys. And I'm also, going to try to get some generics, but it's just, I can't I don't want to pay over that $20 plateau for generics. And that's where we're at right now. So either I pay $1 or $2 more for, your maples or your kangaroos or something like that, or do I buy generics? And to me, it's just one of those decisions I got to make. But I got to find something that I do want and that I want to actually spend that money on. And that is the process that I go through before every purchase now. And I noticed that Provident had a sale. Well, they weren't a sale, but they had some RCM bars. And I went to go buy one the next day, all gone. So that's just the way it is, man. Everybody's buying right now. And until everybody stops buying a whole bunch, it's going to be a seller's market. And until we get out of this nasty spot in the economy, it's just going to be that way, guys. And you have to make that decision. Do you still want to buy silver and gold, even though pretty much it's a seller's market? That's a decision you got to make for your stack, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a dude who likes to buy silver and gold and talk about it. So you guys need to make your own decisions based off your own stack. I mean, if you got over 1,000 ounces, I mean, right now it's pointless for you to overpay for silver. You know what I mean? You might as well sit this one out, hang tight, watch everybody go crazy over this stuff, or take some profit for yourself, whatever. But for you got new guys that are just getting in, man, set a budget and buy that budget every week or 2 weeks, however you get paid. That's my suggestion to you guys if you are wanting to stack silver and gold. And buy recognized stuff. Even if it's your generic stuff, you still have your recognized generics. And I would buy those instead of like just whatever. You know what I mean? But that's going to do it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget, keep grinding on your stack.